Hey guys, it's CryptoGeographic on a new video. So if you're into staking, earning some passive income and also discovering some new opportunity on crypto, you're in the right place. So today's review is about a great platform that's gaining some great attention recently. It's ZenMev, a staking and reward protocol built with MEV. So before starting, don't forget to hit the like button, also subscribe, let us a comment, and let's get started. So here we have ZenMev website. And before moving forward, I will explain what ZenMev concept. So to understand ZenMev, you should first know what is MEV. So MEV, it's an abbreviation of maximal extractable value. Really is. So MEV is the profit squeezed from reagent transaction inside a blockchain block. Think like as an arbitrage in the DX, like platform as Uniswap and also PancakeSwap. Lightning phase liquidation plays at the bot, reordering trade to capture gains in milliseconds. It's faster and smarter and more profitable for validators. And first we'll start by seeing the homepage of the website. So here we'll have all the information and I will also show you some external links. And here we have the liberation EI fair with the Ethereum profit. Here also we have the ecosystem. So here we have the ZenMev UCC. So it's unveiled the MEV equality, the ZenMev approach, the staking redefined, and that's the thing that we'll focus on. And I will show you the staking dashboard also. And here we have also the Ethereum ecosystem enhanced ZenMev, the transformative Ethereum staking on ZenMev, and also bridging gaps with ZenMev. Here we have the networks, what's this project support, and what's the blockchain available. So here we have the intelligence driven research. So we have also the secure and staking infrastructure and the active ecosystem participation. So this platform is fast, it's secure and transparent. You could find all the transaction and details as of the research. It's transparent and it's available to all users. And here we have the networks. We have, for example, the Polygon, the Cardano, the Tron, the Ethereum, the Cosmos, Solana, Bitcoin, Polkadot, and also the BNB Smart Chain. So as we see, we have the majority of the most used blockchain. Here we have also some articles that can be beneficial to you to understand more what's the ZenMev exactly. Here we have also the roadmap, so we will give it a quick look briefly. So here we have the Q1, we had the protocol optimization and the EI integration. We have also the validator earning maximization. We have here the Q3 on 2024. We have the fairness and transparency focus. And finally on the Q4 on 2025, we had the year in review and future road mapping. So all that was achieved last year, and this year we see what's the achievement and the next objectives. So we have here the Q1 of 2025. We have the global expansion and location. We saw the extent on ZenMev and also the tailored the platform feature and service to meet regional requirements. We have also on the Q2 the cross-chain integration and interoperability, the Q3 the advanced AI and machine learning integration, the Q4 on 2025, the community driven development and governance, and finally we saw on the Q5 on 2025 the sustainability, blockchain contribution and partnership. And now I will show you the second dashboard, but before I will do a recap and explain more what's ZenMev. So to let you know, in traditional DeFi, the average user gets front, run, and background. But with this ZenMev, that's use MEV, so they can use MEV bot profit while you get the worst prices, and that will give you some serious profit. And ZenMev flip the script. They're opening MEV to the public, and that's very great. And from here we have the ZenBot staking. So as we see here, we have the staking dashboard. So here we have the tokens as the Z Ethereum, the Z Sol, the ZUSDT, the ZUSDC. Here you could track your profit and your tokens also. As we see here, we have the type of stake, the available stake, and the extractable stake. So from here, we could change the token. So for example, the Solana, here also the USDT, and finally the USDC. Here, as we can see, we have a data of the total value locked across all chain. We have over than $7 million on the Z Ethereum. It's close to $8 million. On the Z Solana, we see that we have an amount of $8,600,000. The USDT are over than $10 million. And finally, this USDC, it's over than $9 million. As we see here, we have the chart that displaying to us the staked amount. As we see here we have also the ZenMev profit distribution. So from here we could see the hash, the staking type, the contract, the profit, the stage. And that's one of the great thing in this platform. It's transparent. You could see everything, every transaction to all user. Here also we have the real-time MEV tracker. So from here you could check the profit, the revenue, the cost, the type, and also the token staked. And now we'll move to some external links, so I could show you what's the MEV concept and also some info about the ZenMev. So for example, on CoinMarketCap, you could find all details about the project as a white paper. So from here we have the ZenMev, just write it on CoinMarketCap as we see here. So here we have the table of content, also a small introduction that we could check it briefly. So Ethereum active validator count has grown rapidly, surpassing 1 million by mid 2024. This exponential growth has raised concern in the Ethereum community about network scalability and performance. Raising maximum effectively balance for validators is proposed consensus layer changed aim for adversary this concern by allowing each validator secure more Ethereum up to 2048 Ethereum for validator, and this compounding without compromising Ethereum security in this article provide in ETH. So here we have the idea that ZenMev has gave the solution for. Here we have the each validation and post token stake volume, the understander and the EEP 7251, and why raised the 32 Ethereum cap was. Here you will find all the info about the project, about the ZenMev, and we could also check the company info and the general info, just like in this website. Find an update on my company, so we could just push here ZenMev and they will give you all the details. So from here, this is our company. So just to mention, ZenMev isn't just another DeFi flashy project. According to the UK, as we see here, the company is located on London in the United Kingdom. This is the full record of ZenMev. They started with a capital of £700,000 in the share capital. That's a big statement showing seriously early confidence and real ancient muscle. So here we have the company type. It's a private limited company. They incorporated on 2024. The account, the confirmation stage was on 10. Next statement date is in 10 November 2025 due to 24 November. Here we have the nature of business, and you could find more details about the ZenMev companies here. So here we have a small introduction, some general info. Here we have the website, the primary industry, the corporate office, the ownership status, the other industry, the financial status. Here also we have the ZenMev frequently asked questions. So when was ZenMev found? Where is ZenMev headquartered? Everything about the company we find it here to check security of your asset and also the legitimacy of this company. And now I will show you an interesting article about ZenMev. So as we see here, we're on LinkedIn. So spotlight on this week, fintech deal with the United States in the spotlight, seeing 6 of 10 deals. The crypto and blockchain vertical led with 3 deals. So one of those things deals was ZenMev, as we see here. Is a DeFi platform that converts maximal extractable value for MEV into higher staking yield. Raised a $140 million early stage round by the VC venture. This week, ZenMev raised an impressive $140 million in a major funding round led by VentureX, a powerhouse investor backing top crypto projects like Uniswap and Ethereum. ZenMev is tackling one of crypto's trickiest challenges, maximal extractable value, MEV. MEV refers to the value that can be extracted from transactions in a blockchain, but it's often opaque and dominated by insiders. ZenMev is aiming to make MEV transparent and accessible to all, enabling fairer rewards for validators and creating a more equitable ecosystem. This funding is a huge vote of confidence in their vision to reshape the DeFi landscape. And here I will show you now the chart that I was talking about before. So here we have the 5 year of MEV growth on 2020-2024. So as we see here, we have the annual MEV accelerated by year, the global and million. So here we have on 2020 it was 80 million. Here also on 2021 550 million. It dropped to 150 million. On 2023 we see that this amount, it was multiplied by 6 or something like that, not 6 exactly. It's going up to 800 million, and last year on 2024 it was over than 1 billion and 100 million, as we see. So the annual MEV extracted by year in USD million. The chart highlight the explosion in MEV value from 2020 to 2021, a dip in 2022 bear market, and renewed growth into 2023 and 2024. So if you want to learn more about MEV, this article will help you a lot. And here also we have the MEV across chain Ethereum and beyond. As we see the approximation share of the MEV revenue by the chain Ethereum, it's blue. It's 75%, has historically dominated by other chain like Binance Smart Chain orange 5%. We have the Solana purple 10% are emerging contributor, and here we have other blockchain. So as my point of view, ZenMev isn't just another DeFi, but it's a shift of how value is created and shared on DeFi. So you will find the ZenMev official website link on my video description. To avoid phishing and scammers, as you see on DeFi, there is lots of trial of scams. And guys, that was all for today's video. If you're watching till now, don't forget to let us a like, also sub, and let us a comment below. I will answer it if you have any question or inquiries, and see you in the next video.